G'day, in this video we're going to be stopping this outdoor tap from leaking and wasting water. Let's do it. I really don't want to wrestle with this tap, just trying to turn it off tight enough to stop it dripping each time I use it. So I've been refraining from using it as well. But today we fix it, and it's partly inspired by the fact that we're installing a retractable hose reel to this brick wall. If you want to see how to install a hose reel on a brick wall, then click the card at the top of your screen, or you can find the link to that video in the description. Start by turning off the water supply. It's usually a gate valve out the front of the property. Now you can open the tap and drain the line. With a wrench and counterclockwise, undo the spindle of the tap, which is this part beneath the handle. Unscrew that and remove it completely. The washer will either be attached there, or you can get to it inside the tap body with a pair of pliers or some skinny fingers. Now check what size tap washer you're going to need. This is from a 3/4 inch tap. If you're not quite sure, take your old washer down to the hardware store and match it up with a new one. A worn out washer is the most common place that a tap will leak. That and around the spindle. Now if your tap leaks from around the spindle underneath the handle here, that's an easy fix. I'll show you how to do that now. That just means we've got worn out O-rings. Turn the handle clockwise while you hold the spindle, and it exposes the O-rings there. You can just use your pliers to remove those. The leak comes from worn out O-rings, so we'll just replace these ones. Remove that fibre washer there, that looks like it's coming off. And then we can put our new O-rings on. And some spindle and tap washer lubricant. Now this all comes in a little kit. There's one there. Now that it comes with tap valves, tap washers, O-rings and lubricant for about $5, and you can probably repair 2 or 3 taps with that kit. Obviously being a 3/4 inch outside tap, this is going to be a little larger, so I don't have a replacement fibre washer for it. Never fear, we can go 5 to 10 times around with a teflon thread seal tape. It'll do the same job. Always wrap your thread seal tape around clockwise. Now we can install the tap back into the tap body. Make sure that by holding the spindle you've wound the tap right open. Fully open position. Pop the new or the replacement washer tap valve in place, and we can install it. Clockwise to tighten. Now we can close the tap and put the water back on. Run the tap until there's a steady flow of water, and that's a job well done. It's definitely a job you can knock off the list. It's cheap and it's easy and it saves water. If you like this kind of content, make sure you check out my other videos, how to use a reseating tool and how to install a retractable hose reel. Check it out and I'll see you there.